What's good, guys and ladies? Welcome back. I'm Coach Parsons. I don't know what week this is. I think 10 or 11. I just want to talk to you real quick about our Turkey Trot. We're having our Turkey Trot this year. It's going to be November 18th at the high school. The Turkey Trot starts at 5 o'clock if you want to race. We're going to have a competitive run this year, a little different than what we had in years past. So if you want to race, it's going to be one lap on our track, and that's at the high school. We have we'll have first, second, and third place medals for students that want to race in the Turkey Trot. Like I said, it's a one lap run on the track as fast as you can. We'll have the students run by their grade level. So whatever grade you're in, you're going to run with that grade level. And it's going to be all the elementaries in the school district. So we have Colt Elementary, Marble Falls Elementary, Spicewood Elementary, and Highland Lakes Elementary. So if you want to race in the Turkey Trot this year, you can have a chance to win a medal, first, second, or third place. If you do not want to race in the Turkey Trot race, that's okay. We're going to have our Turkey Trot, and that's going to start at 5:30 or right after the race. So the race starts at 5, and then the Turkey Trot will be right after that. If you want to come for our Turkey Trot, it's 4 laps on the track, and you're going to be able to earn yourself a toe token. I don't have my toe tokens with me. It's okay. I don't have my toe token, but if you come, you'll be able to earn a turkey toe token. These forms is what's going to be attached to to this link. So this is talking about our Turkey Trot. Down here is the order form for the Turkey Trot shirt if you want to order one. The last day to order one is November 4th. So parents, if you want to order one, you can just print out this page and you can bring up the money to the school either tomorrow or Wednesday. Wednesday is the last day to order one. This is what the design's going to look like right here. This is what the design's going to look like right here. The shirt last year it was gray. This year is going to be black with the white design. So if you want to order one of these shirts, has all the sizes. You put your student size. If you want to order a shirt, you can. Then put their name, their grade level, their teacher's name, and then what the total amount is. Check or cash will work. And then this is what the form looks like to bring back. This talks about the rest of the Turkey Trot. We're doing a Turkey Trot, one for our community to come together. And then the second is we are helping out the Helping Center. Each student that comes to the Turkey Trot, we're asking them to bring one canned good item with them. That gets them and their family and whoever else into the Turkey Trot. Those canned goods are going to go to the Helping Center to help feed students and families that do not have enough money for a Thanksgiving meal. So that's where all those cans are going to go. So if you can come out and help support the Helping Center to help feed people for Thanksgiving. So the date for the Turkey Trot is November 18th. It's going to have it on this form. It's going to be at the high school. The race starts at 5 o'clock, so make sure you get your student there at 5. And then after the race will be the Turkey Trot. And then the Turkey Trot is from 5:30 to 6:30. So hope to see you there. Hope you can make it out. Hopefully some of y'all will run in the race. This is what the medal looks like. And so if you have any questions, let me know. You can bring the form up to tomorrow or Wednesday during the school day with the money and turn this in. Have a great day and hope you can make it to the Turkey Trot. Peace.